Oh!
A couple minutes goes by, and now it's Chase.
You scared me too.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's it, bro. We're doing the second to last. Hot glue, hold it there. Some alcohol. You dumped it all out. Spring is going to act as the opener and closer for the candy. If you're seeing this footage, that means it works. Now, we have these things here. Full.
Oh wait, we need a wooden piece.
Bro, why is it so big? Ladies and gentlemen! Scared you.
There's no more footage. That's the end of the video.
Starburst time.
Oh my gosh, this is so... Okay, ready? And... Alright, last... Oh, cool. I'm so glad you thought of this idea, Sean. Hot pot, hot pot, hot pot. We are done. Go be... Halfway. What up, Sean? Which one's the Mike and Ike one? It's cool, man. Alright, here we go.
Fast, fast, fast forward.
Alright, orders. Bro, this is our house. It's for free. You don't need to pay me.
Alright.
Just kidding. Just come
Sweat and blood when
all the candy goes in. Now we got this little top too, which is kind of cool. Okay, go.
Ew, that's gross.
You don't want macaroni and glue? Because the ramps will make sure that all... How much do you have? Hey!
No, stop.
Sean, let me see. Say ah. Whoa, there's a lot more. Well, this... What? What you doing back there?
For real? Time is up. Alright, man, I'm gonna watch another vlog. You should too. Bye. Next.
Go get french fries and chicken nuggets?
Oh, yeah. Put one in there.
That looks so cool. Alright, my turn. I got this. Alright. What? That's a thief. Hello.
Hello.
Destroyed. So what? Okay. No, Sean almost just ate the corn. Okay, really quick. Wait, one, two,
I can't push.
three, go. Oh! Okay, go catch it. Like boyfriends and stuff. Thanks so much for watching. See you later. Have a fun day. You guys, because we messed up on it. Any bacteria that can be in here. It's scared, but you can make her laugh. All right, what's next? Come here.
Oh, good.
No, not here, not like that. It's a vending machine. What's up, everybody?
What's up?
We are here in some. We got these springs right here from a Halloween. She's so pretty. Oh. We got some supplies, basically a cardboard box, some hot glue, some tape, some sharp. Okay, vending machine. Oh. I'm trying to talk, bro. To stop the candy from falling through, we have this, and then with when it's all done.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, eating pasta out of y'all. Careful with that. Hey, hey! He put it all in his mouth. There.
There takes place after a game of Roblox. Coming soon after.
I hear somebody. Yo, you got them goods?
Yeah.
Got them goods. Put two in there. Yeah, but we aren't gonna put it in. Yeah. Hey, how much candy do you have? Because. Alright. That was funny? Yay! Lexi! We just made a bench. Alright, let's see if our cardboard bench is good. I feel oh, yes, that is perfect. Yay. Guys, thanks.
1, 2, 3, go, go.
Some non-toxic glue.
Yeah.
Or else you will. Wow! Alright, we have to switch Starburst into Skittles. It falls through and then it doesn't. Then we use a spring that we're not done with yet and the
Fast, fast, fast forward.
Alright, so listen, this isn't working out, so instead, this is hot pot. Careful with the hot pot, hot pot, hot pot, hot pot. Stop the candy to stop. I'm gonna try to make a vending machine out of a cardboard box.
Yeah.
So if it works, we'll show you that we've destroyed. And then once you're done, get your booty out of my way.
Alright, do it.
Work, you'll never see this footage. But it's I'll do it for you, baby. Why are you so grown up? Supposed to be a little kid forever. Gosh, not. Oh, never mind. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna sneak one. Oh. What, you wanna try?
Hold on.
No, they're not, listen.
Alright, let me go.
Whoa, not all of it, John! John! Careful with the hot pot, eating pasta out of y'all. Careful with the hot pot, careful with the hot pot, hot pot. I got this, you ready? The kitchen, oh my goodness, let's try it, ready? There just doesn't do much.
We have to separate.
There. This glue that we use is non-toxic, so if you do this, you...
Daddy,
Hey, Michael!
I'm doing M&Ms.
M&Ms? Yo, I say, since we're doing this, we might as well have a movie in the house where it doesn't get distracted. You gotta push it, right? Okay. Whoa, not like a middle school teenager. That spring that we needed right here. Oh, this is beauty. That's scary. What you texting about? Just one more.
Fast forward.
Because we only got one bag of Starburst. Stop trying to kiss me. Oh, little razor knives. Just give me all your money. And we are gonna... Did it wrong. Whoa, look at the tiny Skittle. Hey, that was me. Careful with the hot pot, eating pasta out of y'all. Careful with the hot pot. Careful with the hot pot. Now, what happens? That happened. Candy, careful with the hot pot, eating pasta out of y'all. To clean out with... We're all clean.
Like, put chicken nuggets in one.
Oh, hey, Chase, too much. All right, now let's see if the Starbursts come out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, then the candy... This one doesn't let out a whole lot of candy. Not those things be biting. Mike, do you okay? Ah, Mike, you had time. There you go. Back. Now, it's very hard to make, like, see, eating pasta out of y'all. Goes in, you put your hand under, and get some candy. There. One Starburst a day keeps the dentist away.
Another one.
And, oh, I got that.
GTV.
Dump it. You have to do it, okay? You want one? Yeah. Okay, so put your hand under. I sent Mike out on a candy run because... Hush up, fingerling. Oh my god!
I got one more bag.
We got sweet toy. What you got?
Yeah. Alright, watch this.
Okay, ready? Retard! Can I just scoop it in hand and try a little?
You can dump it.
Let's see the goods. Alright, first up we've got Mike and I. No, I got it. Whoa!
No!
Michael, you're not there because that doesn't do much. From there to there. Or pusher mechanism. But to stop the candy. Gross. Hey Sean, can you turn down YouTube? We night tonight.
Yeah.
Chase, no steal my M&M. Okay, you want to try it?
Yeah.
No, that was for me. Okay, you can have it. Hey, you get this. See that? And without swallowing it. All right, let's move down here.
Alright.
Parts. So we're going to get more because this thing is off. So just come over here.
Oh.
You only get one.
To build. It is this thing right here. Little hole in the... Play great at football. Now we have to hide that somewhere. Very slowly. Ready?
Wait, I want to
1, 2, 3. Toxic glue. This is the toxic kind. It's only for your ears. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Before I did, I just want to show that are going to be out.
Open the bucket.
Oh, you open them? And now, just so you know.
Sir, when I was little.
Yeah, we are just going to...
Keeping it there because we have to decorate it first.
Okay.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes?
Yeah, let's get them mosquitoes.
Oh,
Only 2.
he only had 2? Comfy?
Kind of.
Ready? You gotta push it. Right? Okay.
Give me some.
That is so cool. Now it's very important. This is pretty much what you need.
Hey.
Oh my god, my Alright, so listen, I'm about to glue this in. I snapped it 8 times. Is that good?
Give me do it.
Oh, I just did it.
Your snaps are terrible.
It would get all greasy though. Now I have to glue some of this together. Next update, y'all gonna be with me, bro. Text.
Oh my god.
Wait, what? Wait.
Important. You have these ramps here. That's awesome. Sorry about that. I had my duck filter. Fairyland is haunted. Shush. We only got 1 bag. Cool. And we're gonna get something to close it. But hey,
We try to scare.
Chicken nugget dispenser? That's actually pretty dope. Your mac and cheese. Good, how good? Yeah, right. Oh, yellow.
Yeah.
Daddy.